When we picture courage, our minds often jump to grand, heroic deeds. We imagine a single, dramatic moment where a person risks everything for a spectacular outcome. This is the courage of stories and legends. But the courage that builds a business day by day is something else entirely. It is a quieter, more subtle force. It is the steady, unseen engine that powers your journey when the initial excitement fades. It is the choice to show up. It is the choice to do the work. It is the choice to take one more small step forward, especially when no one is watching. This quiet courage is the most vital asset for any new entrepreneur. If you are just starting your own venture, you understand this feeling well. The path of an entrepreneur is filled with uncertainty and doubt. What products or services should I offer to the world? Who will be my customer, and how will I find them? How long will it take before I see any real, tangible success? These uncertainties are why so many promising ideas are abandoned before they can flourish. Quiet courage is the antidote to this doubt. It is the resolve to face the questions and move forward, one day at a time. Quiet courage is not about a single brave leap across a chasm. It is the sum of countless small actions, repeated with consistency. Write one more paragraph when you feel uninspired. Send one more outreach email after 10 go unanswered. Test a small new idea without any guarantee of success. Each action may seem like a tiny drop in a vast ocean. Over weeks and months, those drops create a current that carries your business forward. Empires are built through daily dedication. Steady effort separates fleeting enthusiasm from lasting achievement. Anyone can feel motivated on a good day, but the true test comes on the difficult days. Quiet courage whispers, just do the next small thing. Small wins are the fuel for your quiet courage. They are incredibly powerful, yet often underestimated. A small win can be your very first email subscriber, or a single positive comment on your content, even finishing a small task you have been avoiding. These are proof you are capable, the bedrock of lasting confidence. Small wins create momentum, a force every new business needs. At first, every push is hard and movement is small, but each push adds to the speed of the one before it. One post this week brings a new visitor next week, then 10 more. One thoughtful email today becomes a valuable conversation next month. This journey is a marathon, and small, visible progress keeps you motivated. Seeing results, no matter how minor, reaffirms you are on the right path. Celebrate writing your plan, your first $1 sale, your first 10 followers. You create a pathway of success. Set small, clear, achievable goals you can finish today or this week. Write and publish one post, gain 10 new followers, then pause and celebrate. Reframe mistakes. Failure is feedback. Use it. Be a scientist. Analyze the data. Identify the weak point. Form a new hypothesis. Adjust one small variable and try again. Trying, failing, learning. Choose consistency over perfection. Perfection often hides procrastination. Produce and ship work that is good enough, regularly. Use tools and seek support. Email software, social schedulers, project apps, templates, a mentor, a mastermind. Quiet courage shows up in small, decisive actions every day. Click publish even when you worry what people will think. Send one more follow-up after a string of no's. Invest a small budget to test a new idea, knowing it might not work. A done-for-you system gives you a clear plan, ready-to-use tools, templates, and step-by-step instructions. It reduces guesswork and decision fatigue so you can focus on actions that drive growth. Progress is often slow at the start. This is normal. Today you are planting seeds, writing, building relationships, refining your product. You may not see sprouts for weeks. Trust the compounding. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Answer fast, post quickly, tidy your space, prevent pileups, and build action bias. These tiny tasks reinforce your identity. You get things done. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward despite it. It is faithfulness to your idea, your vision, and your potential. It is expressed in thousands of small, disciplined acts with no applause, Each day you promise to keep building, keep learning, and keep trying. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take the next small step in front of you. Is it drafting one email, outlining one piece of content, or reaching out to a mentor? Commit to it. Let small steps accumulate into a destination you can be proud of. Established successes began where you are. Patience and persistence made the difference. Today's small work lays the groundwork for tomorrow's results. Your quiet courage is your superpower. It turns vision into reality. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Do not wait for fear to vanish. Embrace small, consistent actions, one day at a time. Build your business brick by brick with small wins. Let quiet, steady courage be the foundation for loud, lasting results. The world is waiting for what you have to offer. Keep going. Thank you for watching.